Hi, this is Jacqueline Benson with eTech Campus. Going to show you today in this video quickly how you can create your own layered map with Google My Maps. First, we're going to start with going to your Google Drive. I've logged into mine here, as you can see. I'm going to go over to Create New Document or Item. Now, you're probably not going to see it, so you're going to have to go down to More and then click on Google My Maps. It's going to take you open to a new tab. Once you get to that new tab, it's actually going to pop up a map. So this is the starting point of what all your maps are going to look like. You can change the title of your map here, so we could say Neat Places to Visit. And you can add a description if you'd like. If you want to have anybody visit your map, they know what the map is about. So now that we've got all of that, what we can do is we can start up here with naming cities. I'm going to start with Lexington, Kentucky, where eTech Campus is. And of course, Google's going to auto-populate that for us, which is great. Then you just want to click on your bubble where it is. It's going to put it at the center of the city that you're looking for. Of course, you can put it on specific places if you'd like, different field trips your school has taken, something for parents to interact with and see what you've done during the school year. I'm going to click to Add to Map. So now it drops down and it's saved right here. The great thing about Google Maps is that you can change the colors. So you can customize your pinpoints, make them different shapes, different colors. You can import icons if you want, use your school logo. There's all sorts of fun stuff you can do to customize it. You can also add a layer. The great thing about adding a layer is that you can have different levels and view the different layers at the same time. So you can turn one layer off, add another layer, and have different names for each layer. So you could say Mrs. Wright's third grade class, and then you could have another teacher in your third grade section have it Mrs. Smith's third grade class. And all of the field trips and areas you visited are on the same map together, which is really cool. This is just a quick tutorial, so now that we've added 1 star, you could say we went to Atlanta, Georgia. I'm going to click on that. It's going to take me to Atlanta. I'm going to click on my pinpoint again and click Add to Map. And now it's on my new layer, as you see. So I have Lexington up here on this layer, and I have Atlanta down here on this layer. Of course, you can name each of these layers as well, so you can say places in Georgia maybe. And of course, again, you can play around with the style of your pinpoints. You can put different pinpoints in the same layer. You can make them all the same. You can make them different. You can make it a rainbow effect. A lot of really cool features within Google My Maps. Now, once you're done with making a base map, you can zoom out. At this point, you can actually export your map to a PDF. To do that, you're actually going to click on this folder up here. You're going to print your map, and then you want to make sure that PDF right here is selected. You could do an image, it's going to save it as a JPEG. If you do PDF, more people might be able to open it. You can click the size, portrait or landscape. Let's do landscape so it gets more in, and then you're going to print to the PDF. From here, you actually select the printer, which would be Adobe QDF print. You can also share your map. Make sure that you have your title and description, how you want it, and there it gives you your sharing link. From here you can make this a QR code, you can make it a short code so people can type it in from wherever they're at. You can make this to where it only is visible to specific people, to anybody on the web, or anybody with the link. So if you did make a QR code, you can make it to anybody with that link can access the map and nobody else. So that's pretty much the gist of Google My Map. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.